Hey everybody, it's Jen and
Katie.
And we are two moms in a wine truck.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers to Jared.
Cheers. Okay, then
Hi, I'm good. How are you?
Hi Jared.
Hi.
How are you?
I'm doing well.
Cheers. Cheers.
Cheers.
And audience, we're on Vinny. We're on Vinny. Yay!
Yay!
It's freezing out, but
25 degrees
25
outside.
degrees out, but we're here on Vinny.
Yesterday
We're doing
was
this.
52.
I know. That's brutal. It's
Yeah.
craziness. Hello, Indiana weather.
Bipolar.
Katie, what are we talking about today?
We are talking about Mr. Dad.
Mr. Dad.
This guy
Mr.
right
Dad,
here.
this guy right here. So, who are you? What you about? What's going on? What's your story?
What am I about? Well, my name's Jared. We'll start with that. That seems like a good lead-in for who I am with my name. My name's Jared. I own Jared Wade Entertainment. I have been a professional wedding DJ and master of ceremonies for about 16 years now. And I am a full-time entertainment guy as well as dad.
I love it.
2 kiddos, wonderful wife, a
Cute
dog, all the good
Dog.
stuff.
How old are the kiddos?
The kiddos, Oliver is 8, Ivy is 5.
I love Ivy.
Okay.
That's such a cute
Oh,
name.
it is. I know.
Really
So when you
cute.
decide to have another one and you think it's going to be a boy, but it's going to come out a girl, because I already know this.
Right.
Name her Ivy. Done. Name's been settled.
Oh wait, what? I don't get any call on this whatsoever. I mean, it's a good name.
You know I have a list of names, right? I
Yeah.
mean, on my phone, every time I hear something I like,
You're
I write
probably
it
one of
down.
those people that actually had when you got married, you actually had like a binder before you even got married.
Didn't,
Yeah, okay, thank God.
I
'cause then we
didn't.
couldn't be
I
friends anymore
wasn't.
if you were. Thank
Nope.
God. Okay,
I
thank
know.
you. Cheers on that one. Thank you.
Cheers.
Oh my goodness. So today we're talking about dads,
Mhm.
because you actually have stayed at home for the past how many years?
Just about 8 years.
8 years. Okay.
Yeah.
All right. So Katie's hashtag stay at home, work from home.
Yep.
I just kicked my kid out because I'm like, I can't do this, because that's okay too.
Drop him off at school.
Drop him
It's
at school,
fine.
'cause
It's fine.
Don't
Just-
stop.
don't
Just open
stop.
the door.
5 miles
Tuck
an
and
hour.
roll, kiddo. Keep going.
He learned when he was 4. Tuck and roll.
Yeah,
Let's do this.
yeah.
I love those before and after pickup. It's great. Just throw them out. No, literally, I do
Yeah.
stop. I kind of pause a little bit, but yeah. So
Kind of
kind of.
pause.
Well, you know, kind of like yeah. But you know, Katie and I have been talking, you know, about the whole stay at home and whatnot, and God bless you for doing that, first of all, because there's no way in God's green earth I could do that.
It's
'cause I don't
the
have,
hardest job.
it is. People say, oh, I stayed home, and I'm like, that's awesome and amazing for you, and I so appreciate you for that. I do, because I could never do it.
Yeah.
But then also people say, well, you know, well, what's the stigma? Is there a stigma, do you think, around this too? Like, oh, you stayed home, so you eat bonbons and watch your soap operas. So what's one of the days of our lives these days?
Well, everyone is dying. Everyone. There is no more days. It's just nights of our lives. Everything takes place at night. Everyone's vampires now.
Oh,
It's very
like the
bizarre.
Walking Zombies is
Walking
now
Dead?
Walking
Yeah.
Dead has now come into that. That's funny.
Love
Yeah,
it.
Walking Dead
Yeah.
and Twilight have combined
Oh,
together to
gosh,
form
Twilight.
Night of Our Lives.
I haven't heard that forever. That's
Yeah.
too funny.
There
Oh
you
my
go.
gosh.
Yeah, a stigma, I don't think that there's really a stigma for just the dads, but I think there's a larger stigma just for stay-at-home working
Parents.
Yeah.
in general. And I would be lying to you if I said that I did everything that a mom would do, or somebody who doesn't necessarily work a full-time job.
Mhm.
And I wouldn't be able to do what I do if I didn't have an amazing second half.
Yeah.
My wife has been extremely supportive and has helped in every facet of everything that I do.
Yeah.
That's awesome.
So there would be no way that I would be able to sit here right now and say, oh yeah, that's what I got to do,
Yeah.
if I didn't have that support structure.
Yeah. So are you on the PTA board then too?
You
Do
know,
you do all that
Are you
stuff?
a room dad?
Are you a room dad?
I am not
Oh,
Okay.
a
listen.
room dad.
You
I
don't do
signed
it.
up to be a
Don't
room
do
mom.
it. Don't
My
do
daughter
it.
started kindergarten this
Don't
year.
do it.
Mhm.
Don't do it.
I'm sorry.
Again, the
I just-
biggest Ponzi scheme.
I will
Oh my
send all
gosh.
of the supplies, but to actually,
Yeah,
I had
no.
to run the Valentine's Day party yesterday,
Mhm.
How much is
and
that?
I could never be a teacher.
Mm-mm. Yeah, nope, not gonna happen.
God
Well, I
bless
could
all
if
the
I
teachers.
had. I could if I
because-
had some major, like, serious, like, drugs, like Paxil or something, or Valium. I don't know. I'm just throwing that out there.
Cheers.
Or alcohol.
Or wine.
Or
Yeah.
wine.
I mean, nobody would know if you snuck in, you know, a drink in your Yeti
What?
into the
Never.
classroom.
Never.
Nobody
ever.
ever
What?
knows.
It's-
Nobody ever knows.
Nobody's ever done that.
It's
What are you
funny,
talking
all the
about?
moms yesterday were like, oh my god, like, you could say they were all just like wide-eyed and this is a shit show.
Oh.
And,
Yeah, it's called a roadie on the way. Tunes you up,
Yeah,
you're
I
good to
didn't really think
go.
about that, so, dang it.
I personally have stayed away from that because I do so much entertainment.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And once they find out that I have a game show division,
Oh.
they're like, "Oh, you
They
need to
want
we
to
took
tap in.
classes?
They want to
Yes.
tap into you.
Mhm.
Yes.
So I have to be very careful about
Yeah.
volunteering.
Yes, yes.
Yeah.
Now, just going along with that, I will go have lunch with them at least once a week.
Okay,
And I
that's
love
perfect.
doing
That's
that.
great.
I
They
love
eat at the
going.
same time? Probably not, right?
They don't, but the really cool thing is they overlap by about 15 minutes.
Oh, you
so I
see
get
the
to go,
water.
start with my son, and then about 10 minutes into it, we go back into the cafeteria,
Oh, that's
find
perfect.
his sister, bring her out, and we have a lunch
Aw,
together,
that's
and then,
awesome.
yeah, it works
That's
out really
cool.
well. Next
I
year
love
won't be
that.
anything like that. I guarantee you it's going to be like, one's going to be here, and then one's going to be the opposite end of
Well,
the time
yeah.
schedule.
Well, yeah.
When I feel
that-
bad too, my daughter's always like, "Mom, I'm gonna have lunch." I'm like, "What am I gonna do with your sister?" You
Yeah.
know, it's like I can't
Drag her
imagine
with.
taking a 2.5-year-old into the cafeteria. It's chaos
Mhm.
in there, chaos.
Again,
I
Brody
mean-
on the way.
So yeah, I mean I need to start doing that more, but
So-
not enough roadies in the world to deal with.
I have a 13-year-old. I've been there, done that shit.
Yep, I know. You're just laughing because we're in the middle of
Yep,
it.
you are.
Yeah.
And I'm like the Cadillac version of all this. I've been there, done that.
The Cadillac version.
Yeah.
All right.
Oh my God.
Nice.
So, Jared, do you have any advice up and coming parents or sitting? Because I know you and your husband had this conversation when you had number 2 about do you keep your job? Do you stay at home? You know, because it's financially straining. It really
oh my
is
gosh,
these days.
I mean,
So
Yeah.
what advice would you have for, people thinking about this and going, do we stay home? Do we not? I mean, does it take a certain person to do it, or can anybody do it? Or, I mean, I don't know. Because I'm just curious.
I wouldn't say that anybody could do it.
Okay.
I
wouldn't
think
either.
that you have to have some sense of an entrepreneurial drive.
Okay.
That's the only way that you're going to be able to force yourself to do what you need to do.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to be up late. I mean,
Yeah.
just because
Yeah.
I'm there at home with the kiddos
Right.
does not mean that my workday ends at 5 o'clock and I
Mhm.
don't get to do anything else.
Mm-hmm.
No, you're going to be up till 10, 11, 12
Mhm.
o'clock at night taking care of whatever needs to be taken care of.
Yeah.
Catching up on work stuff that you weren't
Yeah.
able to do during the
Mhm.
day.
Yeah.
Right.
So, in all honesty, you could totally do it. Anybody can do it if you've got the drive.
Right.
But part of that drive is knowing that your social life isn't necessarily going to be
We didn't think
exactly the
about that.
same as it
Yeah.
was beforehand.
Right.
If you're at work and then you come home and you're able to do things, yes,
Mhm.
absolutely
Right.
go for it.
Mhm.
Right.
But that changes when you have 1 or 2 or 12, 13 children
Nope.
before.
I swear to God, if you have 13, we can't be friends anymore.
I mean, come on.
If you have
I'm not
13, you can
I'm
use
too
Ivy as an
old.
age.
That movie already has been
Can
out.
I?
That's
It's
the
like the Dirty
requirement.
Dozen or something like that. I don't know. I don't want to.
Cheaper by the dozen?
Cheaper by the dozen. Whatever.
That's a cute
Yeah.
movie.
Dirty
but if
Dozen
I were to
is
have
a
11 more
Western.
children, I would be almost 50. Having,
Well,
and that's back to
in
back.
other countries
Which
they
is not suggested.
they do that. No, it's not.
Well, that's not how you make the baby.
Oh no. On that note,
Nice.
that should be our next topic.
So, speaking of things that you said you don't do everything. Okay, so
Yeah.
what are some things at home that you don't take care of that your wife still takes care of, maybe when she comes home?
Oh, not much.
Yeah.
I would say dishes, laundry, vacuuming, cleaning, dusting, making the bed,
He's full of shit.
unmaking the
people.
bed, remaking the
He's
bed
full
because she
of
didn't
shit.
do it right the first time. Just the normal thing. I mean, we're just like every other dick. and
Again,
Jane. That's
remember
really
he's a
what it is.
comedian and an entertainer.
Uh,
Okay.
no. In all seriousness, there are areas that I struggle.
Mhm.
I'll be transparent with you. I'm
Yeah.
not perfect. I don't have all the dishes done all the time. I don't
No.
have
Right. Who
all
does?
the-
Oh my
God.
gosh.
Yeah, I don't have all the laundry done. I have found out, gentlemen, if you're watching, I have found out if you want to turn your wife on,
Yes.
do the laundry.
Do the laundry.
Do the
the laundry.
laundry and do the dishes. And then when
Yeah.
she comes in and
Ah.
she sees that sink empty and the clothes put away,
You don't have to put the clothes away, just in the basket. I'm cool with that too.
there you go.
There you go.
You know, I read something yesterday that said if your child can maneuver an iPad, they can learn how to use the washing machine. I'm
Oh,
thinking,
hello.
Oh yeah,
Hello.
that's coming. Then
Hello.
my
Yep.
5-year-old's gonna start doing
Yeah.
laundry.
Absolutely.
Yeah.
None
Oh,
of
yeah.
my laundry, but she can do her own.
Amen. But because he's 13 and he's going to be going to college in like 5 years, so
He needs to
these
know
are
how to do these
sustainable
things.
Is
things.
he not doing laundry yet?
Oh,
Oh, he is?
oh
Okay.
yeah. Putting it away and everything, and he's so cute because I go, Mom will put away the shorts and the pants, everything, but I need help with because I'm very organized in closets. It's short sleeve, all colors, long sleeve, all colors.
Wait, do you organize by color?
Little OCD.
I
Yeah,
do too.
yeah,
I do.
absolutely. Yeah. And it can
And
be
you know where all your stuff is. If you
Exactly,
wanna wear
you
that
go in and
certain
there it
red
is, yes.
Shirt, you go to
Right.
the red section.
exactly. So
Very Goodwill of you. 'Cause that's how they organize all their clothes,
You're
is
right.
by color.
And probably let's be
oh my
real.
God, that's so true.
It is, yes. It's all by color.
That is so
Damn it.
true.
I can't
So,
do
yeah.
color. I do like lengths. Long sleeves are together, short sleeves are
Hey,
together.
That's what my husband does, yeah.
Yeah, as long as
Pants, jeans.
at the end of the day, as long as it's in the freaking closet on a hanger, I'm fine with that. It is. I'm
Yeah.
totally fine. Yeah, we'll have to do a whole topic on just laundry.
We should do a topic on the whole Marie Kondo,
Oh,
organizing.
I watched
I
one of
totally
those.
Marie Kondoed one of my
Have you
husband's
watched one of
drawers
those?
the other day.
Did
No,
you? Okay,
I haven't.
she doesn't speak English. And it's
Is it all
subtitles.
subtitles?
And
Okay.
she's great. Whew.
In case you're watching,
I had to-
you're wonderful.
I had to
have no
think
idea who you
and
are.
read, and it was just
Have
a
you not
lot
heard of this?
going
No,
on.
I have.
Yeah,
Okay,
it was a lot.
okay.
I have the
No,
book.
yeah.
Do you want the book? I'll give you
I
the
heard
book.
the book's slightly overwhelming.
It's very overwhelming. I got to like chapter 2 and I was like, I can't do this anymore. And I'm an OCD perfectionist over here, okay? I was like, done. Yeah.
Well, the other day I was putting away laundry, and my husband's bottom drawer where he puts all his workout shorts and workout
Yeah.
shirts is just a cluster.
So you just went to
And I
town
was
on
like,
it.
you know what? Screw this. And I pulled it all out, and I had heard a few things about how Marie Kondo folds, and so
Yeah.
I lined it up. I lined
Yeah.
up all his mesh shorts, all
Yeah.
his pajama pants,
Did he
all
notice?
his work shirts.
Did
He
he
did.
know?
He was like, damn.
Oh, bonus
I was like,
points.
let's do this for every drawer we own.
No, it's too time
Wow.
consuming. Don't do it. Just get it in the drawer.
I know.
Out of sight, out of mind. Right?
Yeah.
Seriously.
It's
I
true.
mean,
It's
It
true.
is. And at the end of the day, if the kids are still alive, really seriously, that's all they're
That's a
really
bonus.
doing.
Those are bonus
It's a
points.
bonus. It's
Yeah.
a
If
bonus.
no one bled that day. you're
Absolutely.
fine.
Absolutely.
No one bled. All right.
Hell.
Wow.
Damn.
People in Carmel do things much different in Hunter County.
No, I
That's
mean, in the
hilarious.
summertime, my kids are
Oh,
freaking accident
God,
prone.
yeah.
I'm like,
Yeah,
I
they're
see.
for a while. I hate to take my kid for the wellness checkup because he's all bruised. I'm
I
like,
know,
okay, first
like,
of all,
I
he's a
swear
boy.
I don't beat him.
Swear I don't beat my kid. First of all, he's a boy. Second of all, he's a boy. Okay,
Yeah.
just done.
No, we bought my daughter knee pads and shin pads and elbow pads just for her scooter because she was ripping up her knees
And
every
bubble wrap.
day.
And bubble,
No.
bubble wrap too.
No, I'm not going to that extent. She needs to fall. a few
Oh
times,
my
but-
God, that's awesome. Well, Jared, tell our audience again. Where if they. The hell?
No, just her comment. She needs to follow. I'm just seeing this mental picture of her. Have you followed today? Have you followed it? No?
That's the
Fall down.
tough love right there. Tough love. Oh my God, from Katie. Prima donna, pretty girl, just tough love. I love it. I love it. So, Jared, tell our folks if they want to rent you, not services.
Rent his. Okay, but even that hasn't done.
No, I'm very interested to see how you both
I
recover
don't
from
know
this.
what to do.
How to set
If
this
you
up.
would like Jared at your corporate event,
Yeah.
your wedding,
God, she's
I
so
think
PC.
Vino and Jared Entertainment would be a great duo if
There
you're
you go.
having a barn wedding coming
Yeah.
up, or
I
a
love
venue
it.
that then you can roll up
Absolutely.
to. Have
Absolutely.
this guy come
This
do
guy.
your DJ. I imagine
Yes.
my wedding would have been a little bit better if I would have had you as my DJ,
Yeah.
not the person.
Yeah. Yeah. This is
You
true.
live and learn.
This is true. How can they find you? Facebook?
Facebook, Instagram, online. If you just go on the interwebs, if you go on Google and type in Jared Wade Entertainment, it will just populate out the wazoo.
JAREDWADE. There we go.
Entertainment.
Entertainment. I
.com.
love it. Awesome. Well, Jared, thanks for coming on
Yes,
Vinny
thank you.
today.
Thank
Thanks so
you so
much.
much.
Appreciate it.
Cheers.
Cheers. Check us out on our Insta, Facebook, Twitter, and I'm pointing to
YouTube.
Katie. I don't know why I am, but I am.
YouTube.
No clue.
And our website.
I'm just so excited to be on Vinny.
I know.
Bye, y'all.